How you going, everyone? You've been hitting the gym lately? You're feeling good? Oh no, she's lost her legs! And she's lost the pants that go over her legs. The treadmill said, come back later, I'm busy. Oh yeah, the monkey bars. What's this fella doing? There's someone on there, mate. Wait your turn. Bam! Shit mixed. Maybe this is a gym for ghosts and humans? He couldn't see there was a ghost using the equipment. Bench press, classic way to get ripped. Oh no! She's ripped her fucking face! One squatty squatty, heave! Two squatty squatty, heave! Try not to fart, try not to fart. That's surely a core thought. Oh no! That could have been worse. She could have become a full pancake. That's nice, she's putting the equipment back to how it was. That's always good gym etiquette. This fella in the high vis coming in is like, how you going? Can I have your phone number? Wrong time, buddy. What are you doing? What's going on? What exercise is this? I've never seen anything like this on the internet. That's a lie. But nonetheless, colour me shocked. I'm calling this a fail because I think if you go home from the gym with pink eye, you bloody failed with your gold. Oh yeah, the monkey bars. I wonder if she's a ghost. Nah. Oh, ow. A bit of lower back pain, but I'm sure gym memberships cover chiropractic fees, don't they? Nah, that's some idealistic Aussie man bullshit. Her friend arrives to rub one out, rub the sore spot. Is this guy Neo? Is he the one? Nah, he's a regular guy. I don't think this will result in an injury. It might. There's only so involved I can get in the well-being of wankers in all these videos, though. Online wanker well-being is not my main focus in life, or it shouldn't be. I observe, I critically analyse where I can, and I move on. Don't go to the gym tired, though, because you'll scare yourself. Take a breath. Take a deep breath. Scaring yourself in the mirror is an underrated nightmare. It's fair dinkum a sign that you need to go home, have a nap. That's just presenting, according to David Attenborough docos. There's looking for a mate to reproduce with, and there's going to the gym. I don't know if the two should ever fucking meet. This Sheila in the background with the green headband is me. That's me. That's the female version of me. This is so wholesome. A husband and wife working out together. One is professional, one is a bird trying to fly. Fuck yes. Oh, here's the male equivalent of that pink eye video. Yeah, look, his face isn't like right in there, but I feel like the stench from his butthole is wafting. It's probably wafting, and it's definitely hitting him in the face. That's why he's putting his head back. And then it's hitting his opponent in the face. And the referee, he's going home with pink eye, but he's dedicated. He's like, well, I've got a job to do, so I have to keep doing it. But yeah, this is a fail. And Americans call the wrestling arena the gym, I think. So that's why it fits into this compilation commentary. They're like, oh, I've got gym today. And that just means that they're doing wrestling. Anyway, meanwhile, at the Resistance Band Stadium, she is in for a massive day of resistance banding. It's important to trust the band. The band is your friend. Scratch that! The band is a little fucking pervert. The band was a stalker all along. From the moment she saw it in the shop, the band was like, ooh, I'm going to get a piece of that. Be careful, ladies. Be careful with the gym equipment you choose to buy. Some of it is seedy. Not all equipment has good intentions. Finally, it's important to remember to never skip leg day. I feel like no matter how many of these I make, you should be reminded that legs are important to build muscle on as well. I'm glad that's her foot coming out of the shoe. I thought it was still in there. Yeah, all good, and